Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Google's ambitions in AI and sustainability. From the hurdles in achieving carbon-free goals by 2030 to the groundbreaking AI features in the upcoming Pixel 9 series, we have a lot to cover. So get comfy, because this is going to be an exciting ride. First up, let's talk about Google's ambitious goal to achieve carbon-free emissions by 2030. Sounds impressive, right? But hold your applause, there are some significant challenges ahead. Recently, Google released its 2024 environmental report, and it turns out that their carbon emissions have actually increased by 48% since 2019. Ouch. So, what's causing this spike? Well, it's primarily due to the massive energy consumption of data centers. And guess what? The rising demand for AI technologies is a huge part of this equation. In 2023 alone, Google's data center electricity usage went up by 17%. That's a lot of juice. To tackle this, Google is making strides by using more efficient TPU hardware. Their data centers are said to be around 1.8 times more energy efficient than average. But even with these improvements, managing AI's environmental impact is a Herculean task. It's like trying to run a marathon and solve complex math equations at the same time. So, what's Google's game plan? They're optimizing AI models, building efficient infrastructure, and focusing on reducing emissions. However, there are a lot of uncertainties in their path, like the speed of technological advancement and the adoption rate of eco-friendly innovations. It's a bit like navigating through a foggy maze with no clear end in sight. Turns out, Google is not alone in this ordeal. Over at Microsoft, they faced a 30% carbon emission increase since 2020, mostly due to building more data centers. So, it's clear that the tech industry as a whole is grappling with this balance between innovation and sustainability. Alright, shifting gears now. Let's talk about something super exciting, the new AI features coming to the Pixel 9 series. According to some leaked reports, Google is all set to launch Pixel 9 on August 13th. And guess what? It's packed with a suite of AI features collectively known as Google AI. Get ready to be amazed. One of the coolest new features is called Add Me. With this, you'll never have to worry about someone missing out on a group photo again. This AI tool can intelligently add missing people into the frame. Imagine being able to include your late-arriving best friend into that perfect vacation shot. How cool is that? Another standout feature is Studio, which could serve as your creative assistant. Studio uses AI to generate custom stickers and images. Imagine telling your phone, create a birthday sticker for John, and bam, you have personalized digital art ready to go. This is going to be a game changer for content creators. Then there's the Pixel Screenshots. This feature lets you manually take screenshots and later search through them using AI. It's kind of like Microsoft's Recall tool, but far less creepy because it only processes screenshots you take yourself. Privacy concerns? Relax. You can toggle it on or off as needed. Imagine summarizing your travel itinerary just by searching your past screenshots. Easy peasy. These AI features put Pixel 9 in direct competition with other leading brands like Apple. For instance, Apple's upcoming Apple Intelligence will also dive into AI with features in their new iOS 18. The race for AI supremacy is heating up, folks. Before I wrap up, I want to take a moment to thank all of you for your amazing support. Here at All About AI Tech, we're continually striving to improve our content quality and build a community where we can exchange ideas and insights. Your feedback and engagement mean the world to us, so please like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to drop your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. What do you think about Google's sustainability challenges or the new Pixel 9 features? Let's get the conversation started. So, the report shows that Google's carbon emissions have shot up by 48% compared to 2019. That's massive. And the culprits? You guessed it, data centers and supply chain emissions. Now, with AI booming like never before, the demand for these centers is skyrocketing. More demand equals more energy consumption. It's like trying to fill a bottomless pit. What's adding fuel to this fire? Data centers. In 2023 alone, Google's data centers saw a 17% bump in electricity usage. Imagine, that's like powering up an entire small country. This spike is primarily driven by AI advancements demanding more computational power, a power-hungry beast if you will. Google isn't just sitting around watching their carbon footprint expand. They're rolling out efficient hardware like the TPU, which is about 1.8 times more energy efficient than regular old servers. But even with this edge, AI's soaring demands make this a titanic challenge. It's sort of like upgrading your car to a hybrid, but then driving twice as many miles. So, how does Google plan to clear these hurdles? They're working on optimizing their AI models and ramping up efficient infrastructure. But here's the kicker, there's a lot of uncertainty involved. Imagine trying to navigate a foggy maze. The path is unclear, and you're not even sure what's at the end. That's Google's journey towards a carbon-free future. And let's not forget, it's not just Google dealing with this. Over at Microsoft, they're seeing similar struggles. Their carbon emissions have spiked by 30% since 2020, largely due to new data centers. This isn't just a Google issue, it's a tech industry-wide conundrum. We're witnessing an interesting rivalry here. Both Google and Microsoft are diving deep into AI, and both are wrestling with the sustainability puzzle. It's like watching two heavyweight champions slug it out in the ring, while also worrying about the planet.